Alright, so hey guys, I'm here with the new vlog. So in this vlog, I'm unboxing my first tripod. So here, I just received this tripod from Flipkart, and as usual, my experience with Flipkart is not very good because it delivers their orders very late, and my order is also late. I ordered this 1 week ago, like last Sunday I guess I ordered, and today is Monday, so I received it here like it's almost a week. And let's see, it is 6 inches and I'm just going to unbox it.
That's good.
So here's my tripod, and it's in various colors, but I ordered the black one, and I guess it's in 2 parts, and it's written selfie tripod, whatever it is. So I ordered the black one, and it's in 2 parts, like the one where, yeah, here I'm going to put my mobile or camera, whatever, and it's quite flexible, I guess. And here, this thing is going to be attached to this actual tripod. So yeah, here it is.
That's good.
Alright, so I'm shooting with my tripod right now, and it feels really good because this is my first tripod, and I'm going to my friend's place because I've got some work to do. So I'll see you there. So I'm finally at her place. This is where she lives. Obviously not on the streets, but yeah, up there she lives. आओ तो बाहर बाहर तो आओ. So I just came back home, and I was shooting with my tripod, and I was really excited to do it because that was my first time to shoot any video with my tripod. And here's the tripod. I received it yesterday, as you have seen. I did the unboxing yesterday only, and yeah, so I'm not completely satisfied with it, and because the delivery was late, and also this looks very cheap, and I guess they charged me more for this tripod. But whatever it is, it's fine for a beginner. Let's see for how long it works, and I'll definitely replace it with the new one as soon as I start making more videos. And before, what happened was, before, when I used to do my videos, I used to shoot it with this selfie stick, and when I had to vlog, I had to take this selfie stick outside, which was quite embarrassing for me because I don't know, it was embarrassing for me to shoot with this selfie stick. I really don't know, but it was embarrassing. But now I've got this tripod and I can vlog anywhere I want, go anywhere I want, shoot with whatever I have. So yeah. Also, one big news that I'm going to set up a studio, and I'm very excited that I'm finally going to set up my first studio, first try about everything new, and to make more good content, more quality content. That's why I decided to set up a studio because, and you can see this place right here. um, this place you see here, I'm going to set up a studio. For that I need to buy some stuff, so basically it's videos with my new studio will come up in December because I have exams this month only, so I have to manage that part of my life as well. So after this I won't be uploading much because of my exams. So in December there are daily uploads, so you'll get to learn a lot of new stuff, and I'm excited. And I guess this is all for today's video, and I hope you like my vlog, and I'll definitely see you in my new video.